smart car. It's a smart car with a big secret. It's the loudest smart car on earth, and I'm pretty confident saying that. You want me to show you? Mm-hmm. Sure. Mm-hmm. That's Nathan Air Chime KLA 5 train horns. The loudest train horns money can buy. You got your compressor here, air tank, and then yeah, hoses to the air tank, and of course, some speakers. Thought of a good name for this car too.
Yeah.
The Scumbag Smart Car. Oh my god, dude, this car never gets old.
You enjoy being a scumbag?
Ja sam mali zbjerar, kompaktan, divlji. Gazim divove, ne treba mi cilj. Do poda gas, bez mira, bez stida. Zovi me zvijer kad čuješ krila. Ja, džepna raketa, lovac u traci. Cesta mi je hram, svaki kilometar ožiljak. Svaki ožiljak plama, sladak. Ne prokletstvo s felgama, brat.
The echo is crazy, bro.
I thought that was another train honking back.
You don't have a horn?
Nothing going.
You gotta get one of these.